Hello there, Dr. Kirk. My name is Donald Cunningham, and I would like to share some information with you that will bring more visibility to your website online. Now, I have found by giving people a free educational information that they can use has resulted in many of those business owners um, asking for my help. So, with that being said, let's talk about the three things that you can do today to bring more customers to your business. Okay, now the first thing I wanted to talk to you about is content. Now, Google likes to see 1,500, a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page. So I'm looking here at your home page, and we do have a lot of word content. You do not actually have 1,500 words, so you have more like about 1,200 words on your home page. But you also want to have the right keywords. Now this is your competitor. They actually have close to 2,000 words on their home page, and just a little less than 2,000. So now let's talk about the keywords. Okay, now this is a little tool I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but essentially what it does, it shows me the background details that Google looks at when it's ranking a website. So I scanned your site in Ahrefs, and it's showing me now no, I'm sorry, this is your competitor's website. It's showing me that they're being found with 29 keywords. If I click on here, and these are the keywords that they're being found for. Whole body wellness, which is their name, and then chiropractic Riverside, chiropractic Riverside, California. Those are the top three, with search volumes of 150. Now the third one, chiropractic Riverside, with a search volume of 400. But for that, the traffic was only 8. The other searches had higher traffic meaning the number of searches that landed on their website. Okay, so now this is your website in Ahrefs, and you're being found for 24 keywords. So let's take a look. These are the keywords you're being found for. Chiropractic Corona, chiropractic Corona, chiropractic in Corona. So what we want to do, what we need to do here is you want to have because your competition has so many words on their homepage. I would say you want to have at least 2,200 words on your homepage, with including the keywords that your competitors are being found for. Okay, let's move on to the second thing I wanted to talk about, and that is citations. Okay, here um, I did a search on chiropractic Riverside, and this is our organic listing that we get here, and this is our map section over here, which we call a map pack. Now, citation is your name, address, your business name, address, and telephone number, such as you see here, name, address, and telephone number. And this is where you want to show up here, you want to show up in the map pack over here. Now, the way you show up in the map pack is to have your citation, or your NAP as we call it, listed in uh, online directories. Okay, the online directories such as BBB, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, and so on. and there are other hundreds of other directories that they can be listed on. Now I have a site called Bright Local that will show me exactly how many citations your competitor has and how many citations you have. So what we can do, we can match what your competitor has and add them to you, and also we can add more citations for you, which would mean you would be listed in more directories, and that would push you above them in the map pack. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk about is backlinks or link juice. A backlink is another site linking back to your website, but you want to have relevant backsite, relevant backlinks linking back to your site to make them more valuable. Okay, going back to Ahrefs again, looking at your site in Ahrefs, it shows that you have 83 backlinks. Now, if we look at your competitor, okay, they have 107 backlinks linking back to their site. Now we can see here the links, the actual sites that are linking back to their site. So what we can do here for you, we can have these same backlinks, have these same sites linking back to your site. But in addition to that, we can get um, more backlinks linking back to your site. So you would actually have above 107 or more, so we could get more so you would have more than your competitor. And that way, that gives you more authority to Google. So these are the three important factors that are involved in ranking a website. And you have to pay attention to all three of them to get your site ranked in Google. So once again, we went over content. You're going to need to have a minimum of 2,600 words on your home page with the right keywords. And then you're going to have to look at the citations. You want to get your citations listed in two to 300 directories so that you are way above your competition. And then the third was the backlinks. You want to get more quality backlinks linking back to your site than your competitors have. So what now? You can take the information that I've provided for you today and do this on your own. Or if you want a faster, more effective route, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Donald Cunningham, and my number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.